Hey guys, welcome to the Flat Thunder channel. Today we're going to be working on our lathe, the Atlas 12x36. More of a hobbyist lathe in my opinion, but it's what we have to work with today. It works pretty well. It's made in America, so that's always a big thumbs up. American made. You're right, baby. This is the beat up spacer for the U-joints on the BOBCAT. You can see it's pretty ugly. The pilot reference diameter is all damaged, as you can see from the U-joint blowing up. I already spent painstaking hours trying to zero this part using the key grooves. Pretty sure we have it centered as good as I can with the busted up grooves. The part's actually on center, but the jaws are a little bit out of center. I cut a pilot with a center drill and gauged to all 4 of the bolt holes, and we're within approximately 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch. So I think we're good there. And we're going to go ahead and get our boring bar set up in the lathe, and we're going to recut this diameter. I'm going to remove another 5 thousandths from that flat surface. Come out, finish the pilot diameter. Looks like we need to take a little bit more on the pilot diameter, but let's check it out, see how it looks. So far it looks like we're just hitting the corners where it's damaged. Right down in there. So we got quite a bit more to go on that pilot diameter. Flat surface looks pretty good. Still just picking up the damaged section. Let's try taking about 3 more thou off of that. That looks a lot better. Just test fitting the U-joint assembly and the surface. We just cut this reference face and removed some material from this pilot diameter. There's a lot of burrs and damaged sections. Just a little bit, enough to get all the burrs out of there. And it looks like the U-joint fits real nice. It's flat against the reference surface we just cut, and it fits all the way down inside the pilot diameter. Now all we need to do is go ahead and turn it around and do the other side. I think before I do that, I'm going to cut the raised edges here so we can use that to help line it up and drill a hole that I can indicate through on the other side. It'll be a lot faster. That ought to do it. Nice flat reference surface. And we'll deburr these edges with a file too. Like that material very much. Maybe I should have started with a smaller bit. And we're through. Indicate this irregular part in this 4-jaw chuck in a quicker fashion than I did yesterday. Right now we're going to gauge the chuck jaws. Number 4 is zeroed. Number 2 is approximately 8 thousandths low. We go to the other side and try to force it out about 4 thousandths. Back to 4. Got 0. Snug that up a little bit. 2 thou. Re-0 so don't get confused. 0. 0. Okay, now we're zeroing the other direction. This side's about 5 to 6 thousandths out more than the opposing side. And try to snug this up without hitting the indicator. About 3. About 3. Man, that works way better, way faster than what I did yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and check the through hole that we drilled with a smaller starret indicator, and we should be good to go. Perform the same operation we did on the other side and ready to go back together. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the machining portion of the U-joint pump coupling repair for the BOBCAT 843. We have a lot more videos coming out on that unit. If you like what you saw, go down in the comment section, tell me what you like. If you didn't like what you saw, well, we'll try to get better next time. Feel free to hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll be able to follow along with the rest of the series. See you guys.